Hi, first grade families. I just want to go over this week, our week back from spring break. So we have a fun story that we're building all of our writing and reading around. It's the fly guy, high fly guy. So all of our writing will have to do with writing about fly guy and different prompts, along with writing about our spring break. If you touch on this fly guy stuffed animal, that will take you to a virtual library. So feel free to have your first grader check that out if you want. And our weekly story is actually the first one, High Fly Guy. You can go directly to that right here on the book. Also in the weekly story overview, you can see all the skills we're working on. So fluency, let's talk about that. So the fluency, you're actually having the first grader, I am having the first grader practice the same story 2 times. So we have a fluency passage in OG, and those are all what we call fair words. We've practiced, we've learned the skills for those words, and so we're wanting to get fluent at reading that, very automatic. So I have them practice it separately again. So if I click on this fluency box, you're going to see the picture of that same passage from OG. And I want them to practice it twice. So on Wednesday for e-learning, they might read it in the OG lesson to me, but then I want them to also do it again. The more we read it, the better we get, the more automatic, the more they're going to see those skills that we're working on. So they might say, but I've already read this. You say, read it again. We want to get smoother at it, get better, get more automatic, so we're not sounding so choppy when we're reading and they're seeing the same skills. So please help me out on this and make sure they're reading it twice, and you will see the paper copy come home every day. It will have that red homework stamp. They should be reading this out loud to you. And again, they should be pretty well fluent because we practice it in class during our OG lesson, and then they are to read it at home to you. And it's a quick little passage, but the more we practice, the better we get. We're doing targeted skill practice on this. So let's check out. Our science is actually over insects. It kind of goes with our story. And I've got little insect activities and choice boards, especially for Wednesday and Friday. I will give you a sneak peek. We should be getting little caterpillars for our own butterflies any day this week, maybe toward the end of the week. And then your first grader will have their own little cup with their caterpillar, and they will watch it and make observations of how it changes. And after some weeks, it will be a butterfly and we'll get to release it. So that is coming soon. So in math, we are starting measuring length and getting into time. Now, we're not forgetting about our math facts and place value. We are still going back to review those. So you will see lessons and activities come through that are reviewing some old skills. We are practicing more into the double digit addition, making sure we start on that one side. And I think that's it for the week. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Take a look at all the skills, and I will talk to you soon.